इतने दिनों से मैं इक्वालिटी इक्वालिटी कर ही जा रही हूँ। यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग ये रिजर्वेशन ऑफ SC ST एक्ट किस काइंड ऑफ इक्वालिटी में आता है, लाइक किस में आता होगा ये सब कुछ, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इक्वालिटी एक्चुअली टेल्स अस अबाउट दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स। इसके लिए आपको पूरी वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी। वेलकम टू द D13 ऑफ डिस्कसिंग पॉलिटी एंड आई बिकम अ पॉलिटिशियन। So last time we discussed the different kind of equality, and in real life, what kind of equality is actually feasible? That was the equality of opportunity, which means आपको एक same playing field battle और जो भी same playing field ground दिया जा रहा है, you are given the equal opportunities to stand out. आपका जो भी background है, that doesn't matter. It is the state's duty to provide you so. So there is also further kinds of equality under these equalities of opportunities, that is formal and substantive equality. Formal equalities का मतलब ये होता है that the law which is enacted by the state is equal for each and every citizen in that state. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप अमीर हो तो आपके लिए अलग लॉ बनेगा, गरीब हो तो अलग लॉ है। Everyone comes under the same bracket of law. In case of India, everyone has right to vote. We have UAF, which is Universal Adult Franchise, which means अगर आप 18 वर्ष से ऊपर हैं, then you have the right to cast vote. So we have a system which contain that one vote equals to one value. We consider it as a value. So from the first day of independence itself, we have achieved formal equality. There is equal law for each and every one citizens of India. But in case of second kind of equality, which is the substantive equality, उसमें क्या है, देयर इज अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस। हम सब्सटेंसिव इक्वालिटी को इकट्ठा नहीं अचीव कर सकते एज वी डिड इन फॉर्मल इक्वालिटी, क्योंकि सब्सटेंसिव इक्वालिटी इटसेल्फ टेल्स अस अबाउट द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ inequalities which actually existed in our society, और जिसको निकालने के लिए you have to change the mindset of people, which is more difficult to do that. ये सब कुछ आपको theoretically बहुत easy लगता है, but practically it is nearly impossible to achieve, जिसके लिए हमें एक special laws बनाने पड़ते हैं to enforce people to think in certain way, ताकि एक equality establish किया जाए. For example, the Reservation Act, the reservation of SC ST OBCs, the reservation of women in particular fields of society. This tells us about the Article 15 Clause 4, Article 16 Clause 4, which was the reservation ones. This tells us about the examples of substantive